Worldcoin is back in the spotlight. After months of going nowhere, WLD has broken out, reclaiming the $1.70 support and climbing above $2. Traders are calling for a run toward $4, but can the momentum last? In this video, we break down the breakout, look at key technical levels, and compare them with CoinCodec's price predictions. For most of the year, Worldcoin was stuck between $1.10 and $1.70. Each attempt to rally failed, and the price kept sliding back into the same box. But in early September, that changed. On September 8th, WLD closed around $1.56, up from just over $1 a few days earlier. By September 10th, it had surged to about $1.94, with intraday highs at $2.16. That was a 100% gain in less than a week. The breakout pushed price above the long-term downtrend line. That shift is important. Analysts often say that escaping a range after months of pressure opens the door to a larger move. Now, the 160 to 170 zone that acted as resistance has flipped into support. As long as WLD holds above that zone, the bullish case stays alive. The next battle is already underway. $2 has been sticky, and above that lies resistance at about $2.80. Some analysts even mark out the supply zone between $3.90 and $4.20 as the bigger prize. But it will not be a straight line. If WLD stalls at $2.80, traders may see consolidation before any higher push. Luciano BTC, a popular chart analyst, called for a 60% move toward $3 if buyers can clear the $2 and $2.70 levels. Social media buzz has amplified the rally, but the chart will need confirmation. CoinCodec's near-term predictions suggest caution. Starting September 12th, the model forecasted a gradual decline. Price was expected to slip from around $1.76 to $1.35 by September 16th. That is a projected drop of over 20%. If that plays out, WLD may retest support before any attempt at a $4 rally. The contrast between bullish sentiment online and the algorithmic forecast highlights the uncertainty. Traders betting on upside will need to watch if $1.70 holds during pullbacks. Looking at recent history, the breakout was backed by rising volume. On September 7th, WLD closed near $1.03 with just over $700 million in volume. By September 10th, volume had surged to almost $6 billion. That kind of expansion is often a sign of real buying pressure, not just a short squeeze. Since then, daily closes have held above $1.80, keeping WLD above the breakout zone. Whether that level holds during upcoming tests may decide if the path toward $2.80 and $4 remains open. Worldcoin's chart looks very different today than it did a month ago. The breakout has put it back on watch lists with a clear roadmap. Defend the 170 zone, push past $2, then test $2.80 and beyond. But predictions suggest near-term pullbacks, so the next few days will be critical. For traders, the message is simple. Watch support, respect resistance, and don't get caught chasing candles. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more crypto insights.